Hello everyone, welcome back. I bet you're wondering what El Cuatro is. Well, some of you already know, but our friend, our brother, the salt of the earth, a man that'll do to ride the river with, Nathan 4071. He sells these awesome ferro rods. He turns these awesome handles, and he has a couple new ones out, a hexagon one and a square one, which I think is just genius. Because when you're using a ferro rod and you're scraping it, you end up making a flat spot. So why not start out with a flat spot, right? So our brother decided to give away one of his new square ferro rods that he calls El Cuatro with the K to the winner of my wax canvas flint and steel kit. I'm blown away, brother. I really am. I'll tell you, if you're not subscribed to Nathan 4071, you need to get over there. If you're looking for a ferro rod, you need to get one from Nathan. They just throw lava. So I'm going to put a link in the description to Nathan's channel and to his eBay store. Okay, and again, if you entered my contest, I'll put a link in that also, my giveaway. You will get the square El Cuatro from Nathan, and he has a beautiful Cocobolo handle that he turned and he put on it. I mean, just such a generous gift, Nathan. I can't thank you enough. So folks, go check out Nathan, subscribe to his channel, you know, go to his eBay store and show him some love, and it just blows me away. So everyone, thanks. I really appreciate your views and your comments, and I hope you got into the contest, and I really hope you go check out Nathan and get one of his ferro rods.